Well, hello there, friends. So, a couple weeks ago, I made a video where I said that I met a young guy at an upholstery shop. He had his own upholstery shop where we were vacationing on the beach, and I had told you the story about how I met him, how I walked into a shop and we had a really good conversation. So after I was leaving, I thought, you know what? I think there's some things I could probably do to help him. On this channel, I've helped hundreds of people. I've had hundreds of people in comments anyway tell me how much I've helped them. So I thought I would extend and offer my help to this young man. And the comments in that video are really, really interesting. So go back to that video 2 weeks ago if you wanted to read those comments. But anyway, I almost thought to myself, well, the best or the easiest thing for me to do is to do nothing. But then, you know what? If I do a little bit of something, what if I can change his life? What if I can increase his income 300%? That would really help him and his family, right? Their whole financial future can change based on this one phone call. So let's find out what's going to happen. So here we go.
Hello?
Hello, Joseph.
Yes, this is Joseph.
Hey, Joseph. How you doing? This is Richard Rudolph. You might remember me, or you might not remember me. A couple weeks ago, I walked into your shop one morning,
Okay.
and we had a nice conversation about your business and all. And
Okay.
yeah. So anyway, do you remember that conversation?
I'm not sure, sir. I apologize if I don't.
Okay.
That was you came into Port Aransas?
Yeah, right. So I came
Okay.
in and we had a nice conversation, and you're telling me how you were third generation in the upholstery.
Oh, yes, sir.
Now, do you remember? And we talked about your fourth generation standing there helping you pull in staples.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I remember you.
Okay.
How's your day going?
Oh, good. Yeah. So anyway, I need to tell you who I am. So my name is Richard Rudolph, and I have a YouTube channel, and
Yes.
I've been doing upholstery myself for 45 years. And what I've done on my channel, apparently, I've got almost 80,000 subscribers right now. And I've helped hundreds and hundreds of people that are doing upholstery, because I've been doing this so long. Not only with upholstery, but also with how to run a business that, where I can potentially, increase your income just with my advice. How to increase your income 200-300% just by doing techniques with your customers to increase your income. So on my video, I need to tell you, I made this video a couple weeks ago, and I was asking everybody's opinion. Should I help this young man? I really like him. He seems like a really good guy. I see what he's doing with his business. Should I approach him and should I offer my help? A lot of people, I mean, I can, steer you in the direction where you can see the video yourself. I can text that to you. But a lot of people are saying, yeah, go ahead and, offer your help and try to help him out. He might not need your help when it comes to upholstery because he's third generation. But, there's other things, I mean, everybody, you're always learning, right?
Yeah, so I'll be honestly, the shop you came into to meet me at is not my shop.
Oh,
I sub work out of there, but I just recently moved into my building.
Really?
About a week ago, and I'm in the process of building tables and setting up my
Wow.
machines
Okay.
now.
Yeah, that's great. That's fantastic.
So but I've been doing it my whole life, and I just when I started to just not always good at working under people. It doesn't always work out that way, and I just it's more profitable for me to be doing it on my own.
Heck yeah. You're your own boss, and you can name your own price.
Absolutely. Well, that's the thing is here, I'm
mhm.
naming my price here. I'm dealing with the customers. Running everything like it is my business, but it's not. So the
Okay.
only thing I'm lacking is the location to do it, which I'm not any longer.
Wow, that is so cool. So this is like perfect timing, me giving you this call.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Absolutely. Well, maybe I mean, I would definitely be interested in looking at the video, but I'd also maybe be interested in sitting down and talking with you.
Yeah, we can do that, because, actually, on my channel, people, what they'll do is there's a thing called Buy Me a Coffee. It's where they contribute to my channel. If you find value in my upholstery tutorials, now is an easier way to contribute to my YouTube channel. Buy a coffee by scanning this QR code now. Thank you. And
Yeah.
I give a personal phone conversation or like a
Okay.
consultation, right? And I pretty much stay on with the phone with them as long as they need. So it doesn't really matter to me. I just want to make sure that everybody gets their questions answered. So
Okay.
I would extend this to you. And a lot of people are going to probably not be happy with this, but I'm not going to charge you.
Okay. Well, I appreciate that.
Because you know what? If I could help out you and your family, and like I'm saying, I'm not in this for anything. I will never,
Absolutely.
ever, ever, ever ask you for anything. But and the way I started out my YouTube channel almost 4 years ago is my very first video. I said how over this 45 years I developed my closely guarded secrets and techniques, but I'm nearing retirement now. So,
Yes.
and what I'm doing is it doesn't bother me now to reveal my secrets and my techniques. So that's what I do is all my videos are about the techniques that I've developed. And, I'll show while I'm making something, and a lot of people are learning from this.
Well, that's awesome.
Yeah, so
Sharing gifts.
yeah, you probably heard this before that upholstery is a dying art.
It absolutely 100% is.
I've heard that for 40
Not
years.
much. Not much competition.
I've heard this for 40 years. But
Well,
really, I'm up north. I'm northwest of Houston is where I'm at.
yes.
So in a little small town. But from what I've seen myself is over the past few years, a lot of the oldies are dying off.
All
You
right, brother.
know, yeah,
Nice.
a lot of the oldies are dying off, and they're not with us anymore.
Yeah, I have. So my parents, my dad's been doing it for 40 years. My mother's been doing it for about 30. And
Okay.
my grandfather's been in business in Fort Lauderdale for 60 years.
Yeah, right. I remember you saying that. That is so crazy. I mean,
Yes.
I can't even say I'm a second generation because I started myself when I was 15 years old, and I just started with this and just kind of kept up with it, and and apparently, I mean, I've done a lot. I have done so much. I'm going to tell you what my website is. It's rudolphsupholstery.com, and I'll send you
Okay.
that link too. But really, on that website, you'll see 45 years of my work, and you'll
Now,
see
is that on Instagram or Facebook?
no a website.
Okay.
Yeah, website is rudolphsupholstery.com. I'll send you the link. And I over the 40 years that I've been doing the upholstery, 45 years, I mean, I've done a lot of work for famous people. I've done work for car museums, car collectors,
Yeah.
auction companies. So really, on that website, you'll see 45 years of my work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
So.
I would, I definitely, I'm just getting to the shop right now. I have to sew up some curtains right now, doing some spray curtains on a center console.
Yep.
And I would definitely maybe I'd love to maybe sit down and have a talk with you, maybe later today at the end of the day, or even, I'm not sure where you're at, but my new shop is in Rockport.
Rockport. Okay. So that's the other thing. I never revealed who you were or your name of your business or anything. Would you like to do that? No, I don't. Yeah.
I would love to.
Okay. What's the name of your business now?
It would be Todah Upholstery. TODAH in Hebrew, it's like Thanksgiving to say thanks.
Oh, okay. So maybe when I send you these texts, maybe you could respond with that name and the same number, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and your name is it okay if I reveal your name?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So I see here on your card it's Joseph Fusco. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, Joseph, I'm going to be sending you this information, and like I said, I'm not in it for anything, and everybody that knows me knows that's true. And I'm just like I said, my reward would be to see something happen with your life that would improve your life, and that would give me a huge satisfaction, to tell you the truth.
Yes. Well, I appreciate the phone call, sir, very much, and I appreciate you reaching out to me. I should be home around. I should be home in between 4 and 5, and I can give you a call back.
Okay, I'm gonna actually be out of town this afternoon, but
That's fine.
it's
Whatever's good for you.
yeah, we'll just stay in touch. You have my number now, right?
Yes, if this is the phone number.
Yeah, 9936. So now you have my number. My name is Richard Rudolph.
What was your first name again?
Richard.
Richard Rudolph.
Rudolph. That's right.
All right, Richard. Well, I appreciate your time very much.
Okay, yeah. So have a good rest of your day, maybe even the weekend, and we'll stay in touch.
All right. Thank you, sir. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Thanks for talking to me.
Always thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. Well, wow. What do you think about that? I wasn't really knowing what to expect. And I think nobody else knew either. But, he's a guy that's ready to grab an opportunity, right? And that should be a lesson to everybody, is if an opportunity ever presents itself, you should probably grab it, because, it's just little things like this that really can change your life. I could look back on my life and I could look at single things that I did that if I chose a different direction, I'd probably have a whole different life. So, you know what? Maybe he's got a better chance. He always had his chance. He's got his drive, right? He's got his determination. He's making things happen. He doesn't sound like a lazy guy. Wow. All I gotta say is, until next time, we'll see ya. If you like this video, you'll really like the next one.